This is William McClain with Wire Miami, your 11 Hotel and Residences specialist, and today I'm going to give you a 4K aerial update of the upcoming site for the 11 Hotel and Residences and the 11 Beyond Tower. Let's check it out. The 11 Hotel and the 11 Beyond projects are going to simply redefine the Miami World Center corridor, bringing to Miami the first Vegas-style property ever to hit the Miami area. It's really no surprise that this project ended up being one of the fastest selling development projects in Miami, because really the concept itself, the design, and the amenities are simply best in class. Just imagine being right in the heart of the new 11 district of downtown Miami with 9'6" ceilings, Sub-Zero Wolf appliances, and premium home smart technology built into every room. And then right outside your door, a luxury sports betting lounge, a Deepak Chopra spa, and an 11-day pool club give you all the amenities you need to do what you need to do here in Miami. If you missed out when this project first launched, you'll still be pleased to know that there are still a handful of residences available for purchase in both Tower 1 and Tower 2. For more information, developer pricing, and any other questions, click the link in the video description below so you can contact me directly. Thanks so much.